Welcome to a new vlog. Today is our second day in Croatia. It is Monday. We got up a little bit earlier today, so it's like, what time is it now? Is it like 10 maybe? 9:30ish. And we're having breakfast on the balcony again. The weather's gonna be a lot better today. So we're gonna go down to the beach later. I've got banana and muesli and then some almond milk and toast with avocado. Okay, so I do not know what I was thinking when I was packing. I thought I had packed so much things, but I have literally no simple tops to wear with my simple shorts because I'm a simple gal and I don't want to wear this tight feeler t-shirt top or a skirt or a dress. I just want to throw something on. I guess I've got this spotty one, but that's ugly. Why did I bring that? I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna wear my bikini top with my shorts and then this again. I just want it as like a cover up, so I'll probably just do this. So my shoes are all soaking from yesterday. If you haven't seen my last vlog from here, go check it out because it was crazy. So I'm gonna have to walk barefoot, but I don't really mind because I only bought like trainers and sneakers with me other than those shoes that I was wearing yesterday. My outfit is just really simple and lazy. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a holiday lookbook or not, we'll see. Just seeing if they can see our hotel from here. I've walked barefoot all the way down. My feet are kind of hurting, but it's fine. The water looks amazing and we bought snorkels and swimming shoes yesterday because apparently you need them here because there's like spiky fish on the bottom of the water apparently. So we just got a floaty and Dad's with the man who's blowing up now, and we're gonna find a place on the beach because it's like packed everywhere, so we need to be quick. Here we can be. So now we went to a restaurant. This restaurant is called Palma. A lady who we talked to about booking a kayak trip recommended us this place, so I'm really excited to try it. I got their vegetarian pizza with mozzarella on it, so it looks amazing. What did you get? What was it called? Gnoschi gorgonzola or something. And Dad got a fish and chips.
Three types of fish chips. That's
that
tuna.
looks good.
A few moments later.
I'm taking the pizza that I can eat home, and Dad got a drink here. A shot. What is it? Can I smell it?
Yeah.
Let's see how it smells.
You taste how it smells, basically.
Oh. Oh.
Take a sip.
No.
I think you need to know what your dad's going through. You take a sip, Rebecca, so you know.
Okay then.
How I'm suffering.
Are you supposed to drink it in one?
You can't sip it, it's so horrible.
It smells like vinegar, doesn't it?
It's more like oil.
I don't know if I can do this.
It's a bit oily.
Why do people do this?
Oh,
Isn't that bad?
that's not too bad.
But I just took the tiniest
Okay,
bit.
maybe it's not what I'm thinking it is then.
Oh, it's actually not very good aftertaste. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's not so bad.
Oh. Tastes
good.
quite strong.
Not bad.
Le lite då.
Sweet life on deck. Jag såg en sjöborre. Ja. So Sophie's gonna take over the GoPro. So she's gonna film. And I'm gonna relax on this. Yes.
Abandon you. So you abandon them?
I fell off this before, and these fell off, and I was like, no. You better work, bitch.
Later.
So now we've been snorkeling and sunbathing, and now we have got some ice cream. So I've got hazelnut, so we got pistachio, I think, and Dad got chocolate. Having some French fries, and Sophie's having fruit. Yummy. Me and Dad are sharing this. So we are finally home. Well, finally, it's been lovely to be out, don't get me wrong, but after a full day in the sun, you're kind of exhausted now. So, well, full day. We were probably at the beach at like 11 and now it's like 8 o'clock. And now we just watched the sunset and it was absolutely beautiful. It was so nice. And tomorrow we've got a kayak and snorkeling trip booked. We met this lovely lady who was so helpful. So we're going with them tomorrow and it starts at 6:15 in the morning. So I'm really, really excited for that. I know when I was in Sardinia 2 years ago, the snorkeling was amazing. So I'm really happy to go again, and also kayaking. I'm really excited for that. So I'll bring my GoPro so you guys will be able to see that. Just need to clear a lot of space on my memory card. And hopefully I got a little bit of colour. You can see that I got a little bit of colour. But yeah, we're going to the supermarket soon to buy water because we need to bring loads of water on the trip tomorrow because we're probably going to be out like 5 or 6 hours or more. We're at Brela supermarket now, getting 1.5 litre water bottles for tomorrow, some orange juice because we love orange juice in our family. We're getting pasta so we can do the same tomato thing we had the other day. Let's see, what is that? Hot dog sticks. What if they taste of hot dog? Or what if there's hot dog in them? Kind of want to get an ice cream box to put in our freezer. I like the look of those, but I also like ice lollies, and those look nice. We chose those. So we found an iced tea. Which one is it? I found this. I think it's a fruit beer. I'm not sure. From Karlovac. I think that's supposed to be Croatian. And they've got all these crazy drinks that we've like never tried. Like Fanta, I've never tried that. Like, what is that even?
Oh my god, look.
There's Pippi Longstrom. Dad! You can slide here. Our door is really hard to lock, so we just spent like 5 minutes trying to open it. And oh yeah, we bought a floaty today as well, if you didn't see. So really exciting. And now we're going to show you what we bought, I guess. We're going to unpack. We got a lot of stuff. We got some crisps for tomorrow.
You need to share the vlog.
I chose these crisps for the trip.
You actually share the vlog.
Got some more pasta so we can make some more home-cooked meals. For the same reason, we got crushed tomatoes.
Everyone's talking, so you probably can't hear what I'm saying right now.
Onions, a pepper, more crushed tomatoes. Dad got 2 bottles of Coca-Cola. Sophie and Dad were disrespecting my vlog, so I didn't get to show everything we got, but honestly, not very interesting. You probably don't care, but I'm trying to make this vlog a little bit interesting because I feel like all we've been doing today is lying by the beach. But tomorrow will be more interesting, hopefully, if I get to vlog a lot.
Try some.
Yeah. Dad's gonna try the Croatian fruit beer. Is that what you're gonna try?
No.
No? Okay, this doesn't look like a fruit beer. There's not even a picture of fruit. Is that the wrong one?
Did we buy the wrong one? Oh, hang on. Maybe I took the wrong one out of it.
Grape. We don't know what it is. Let's try it. Do we even have a
2%.
bottle opener?
You want to try it first?
Oh, I've got water in here. Oh, that's enough. Oh, it's a fun colour.
Yeah, sparkly.
Yeah, it looks fizzy. Why is my... It looks blurry, or are my eyes just that bad? Oh, it smells weird. Ooh. Definitely tastes like beer and orange juice. That was quite nice, actually.
Yeah, beery orange juice.
Beery orange juice. But it's grapefruit.
The first taste is like grapefruit juice, and then you get a beer feeling in the back of your throat. See if you think it tastes more of beer or more of grapefruit juice.
It's only 2%, don't worry. Grapefruit juice. Good morning everyone, so it's 5 in the morning and yeah, we're getting up this early because of our snorkeling trip. I don't think I'm going to bring this camera, but I'm definitely bringing my GoPro and my phone. I just feel like it will be too hard to film on this when I'm paddling in the kayak, and yeah, just wanted to let you know that that's what's happening today, and we're having breakfast now. I just put sun cream on. I think I'm going to wear this top like a pullover, and I'm wearing this bikini because it's the most comfy one. They're not the matching bottoms, but they're both yellow, so it's going to have to do. I'll see you guys later. I'm really excited.
Salted heaven, winters breathe. Eager and anxious to break the silence.
yesterday was our snorkeling day, if you didn't watch my other vlog, and it was so tiring. I think we were out for like 8 hours. I caught the sun a bit, which is nice. My back is really aching now though because of all that paddling. We did paddling in like, the wind was behind us, it was crazy. Yeah, but it was fun.
I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tips